What's up, guys? John from JohnMcNeil.com, and happy Friday. I have a special video for you guys today. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to actually make money with playing video games, right? So you're going to learn how to profit with video games. And I know this is not like the traditional affiliate marketing video that I would typically do, but the reason why I wanted to make this video is because I really wanted to just enlighten you and open your mind to the endless possibilities. No matter what your talent is, or somebody that you know, they may have a talent such as playing video games, and there'd be a passion for them, and they don't know that they can actually make money doing this. So what I wanted to explain to you today, guys, is there is a platform, a video game streaming service called Twitch. And basically it's for individuals that are into playing video games. They're entertainers, they're personalities, and they get on this video game streaming service and they just play a lot of the popular video games that are out there in the marketplace. And I kind of did a little bit of research on Twitch, and so it was actually acquired by Amazon for $970 million, guys. So this is a big deal, big deal. A lot of money being transferred, a lot of money being made, actually. And it's the fourth largest trafficked site on the internet now. Now, Twitch has what they call like a partnership program. So basically the people that are, playing these video games, they actually can sign up for their partnership program and they get paid. So they're actually going to like grow an audience, just like you would grow an audience on YouTube and build your list. Like these gamers grow an audience on Twitch, and they actually get paid in two different ways. So they get approximately about $3 for every 1,000 views, ad views that they have while they're playing. And then they also get paid $5 per month per subscriber. So as you're growing a following, as you're playing the games, if you're good, millions and millions of people are tuning in to these gamers and watching these people play. And if you have like a personality, you're kind of funny, whatever, people are subscribing to your Twitch, and you're actually getting paid per subscriber. They also accept like donations. So like you can have like your donation link. You can get sponsorships. There's so many different ways that these gamers monetize on the back end, other than just what Twitch actually pays them. They actually get straight donations from the people, their viewers, as well as like different sponsorships as their audience grows. So basically, what do you need to actually be a gamer to do this on Twitch? Of course, you're going to need like an Xbox or a PlayStation. You're going to need what they call like a Connect camera device, which actually connects the camera to your actual game device. And then, of course, you're going to need a good mic, because you want to make sure that you're sounding very clear when you're actually, speaking and talking through the game. You're going to need a webcam so people can see you and see the screen at the same time. And then like the streaming software to actually stream it to Twitch, right? And then when you look at like what's the income potential, it's endless, guys, endless. I mean, I've seen reports of some of these gamers making, as much as $8,000 a month on the low end for some of those kind of all-in gamers, to some of these gamers reporting like $30,000 a month in income, right? So some of these gamers are millionaires. They're millionaires off a passion that they have, and they found something that they love, and they've gone online, they've created an audience, and because of that audience, they're making a lot of money. So this can actually, basically make sense for you if you're watching this video. Maybe you are a gamer. Maybe you have a child that likes the game. Maybe you know somebody that's into gaming, and this is some information that you can tell them in order to get them to start generating income for something that they're already doing. And then for you, you need to apply these same principles in your online business. So if you're in the health and fitness niche, make money online niche, whatever your niche is, build your audience, right? Build your audience, be a personality, have fun, and enjoy it. And you'll build that audience, and then all of these other, revenue opportunities are going to follow, right? So this is a quick video. I just wanted to show you guys like just an example of something else that you can do to generate income online. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel for more videos like this that teach you how to make money online, and comment below. Let me know what you think about this particular video about making money with video games, guys. So we will see you in the next video. Peace. All right, guys, real quick before I actually peace out of this video officially, I actually just went over to the Twitch website, and they do have an advertising platform for different people that are trying to advertise on their website. And what I saw was, I mean, if you kind of look at some of these stats, I mean, they have 15 million daily users, right? 15 million people are using this site, are accessing this site. They have 2.2 million creators, 25,000 members that are in the Twitch partnership program. 23 billion minutes watched per month. That's a lot of time. There's a lot of people on this website. So from an affiliate marketing standpoint and just a salesmanship standpoint, you got to think this could be an opportunity to tap into some traffic source. I mean, the people that are on this website, if we look at let's look at audience. This should tell us, yep. So this tells us like 81% of Twitch users are male, with 55% of them between the age of 18 and 34. So as an affiliate marketer, my juices start to turn, and I'm thinking to myself, how can I tap into this group? You know, this group of people, these millions of people that are on this website. Maybe there's an affiliate marketing offer that I can sell them. Maybe there's a gaming offer that I can sell them. Maybe I can just sell them something about health and fitness. Everybody wants to lose weight, and I can target, you know, these people, because I know that 81% of the people that are on there are between 18 and 34, and they're male. Maybe there's some CPA offers out there that I can promote. You never know. So I just wanted to just give this little tidbit of, you know, open your mind, guys. There's so much things that you can do in order to make money online. And then there's so many different ways to actually market offers online. And, you know, this is a perfect example of it. So I promise this is it. This is John from johnmcneil.com. Make sure you guys comment below, like this video if you liked it, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.